So we decided while we wait, we were gonna do, oops, drop my rag. We're gonna do this little tint kit for the Challenger reflectors. Got that one all done too. Will's currently doing that one.
Yeah, these aren't the right width.
Some of them aren't gonna be perfect. I think they give you extra ones because you're probably gonna fuck it up.
No, these aren't the right width because they don't go.
But yeah, but look how much you got on top. It's just barely enough.
Oh yeah, well that's because this one tucks a little bit. But I'm saying side to side, it's not long enough.
Oh no, I don't think it's meant to be like exact.
It should be.
Because you're never gonna make it exact.
Should be fucking.
It looks a hell of a lot better than before with some ugly ass orange shit. I think they all have like a Mopar logo or something on them.
No, it's like a DOT rating or some shit, DOT information.
But yeah, Will's handling that one. If we fuck it up, we both did the same amount, so this is what they look like before.
Mine came out perfect though. So.
Man, yo, it's not long enough. That's what they look like before, and that's what they look like now. You can barely see it, even that close. Oh.
These fucking things will pop out so easy.
What?
These marker light or these reflectors.
Yeah. You're probably supposed to take them out.
Probably.
We didn't watch a YouTube video on how to do this.
It's because I'm a professional.
It's funny because your face is like right here in the camera and they can barely see like half your nose. Alright guys, so this is like one of the easiest mods you could possibly do. And it's so cheap. I think this kit probably cost $15 or $20.
Is there a bunch of shit in my hair?
Like some aphids. And these guys do send, they made these from Vivid Vinyl, which is out of Canada. So this is the same stuff we use for our stickers, which are still always for sale. Check it out, Twist Boost Media. You got the carbon fiber red on the Canyon. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, baby. Get on there, follow it, do it. Got the carbon fiber green line up on here. Corvette doesn't have one yet. Ooh, we need to do that today too. We need to stamp the Corvette. Yeah, it looks so much better.
Yeah, especially like from up here when you can see.
Like that's a 200% difference between some ugly red and orange reflectors.
And like the lip.
Wow, I'm telling you guys, easiest modification. Oh, there's one more. I do this one.
For what?
For this corner.
Oh, you didn't do the back?
No, we both did one of those.
Okay, I thought.
And then while you were finishing that one, I did that one, and you did that one. And
oh
that
yeah,
one.
that makes sense.
Yeah, this is like the easiest thing ever, man.
I got a squeegee.
There's so many fucking bugs, huh? Which one is it? And in this particular kit, by the way,
Yeah, from this angle, it looks cool too.
Yeah, they provide you with, this isn't the exact one, but they give you a rag, they give you a squeegee, and they give you extra pieces as well. I think we got, what are those, all the empty ones?
Yeah.
So we needed 6 total. I think they give you 9. They give you a couple extras in case you screw it up, which I mean does happen, or if one comes off maybe.
Or you tuck the top.
This vinyl is super awesome. Like I said, we use it for all our stickers. We take this car through the brush car wash with the stickers on the back. And the ship box we took to the car wash. Ooh.
Yeah, the corners are weird.
Yeah. At least you can't fuck your car up with this little squeegee thing.
Right.
Otherwise I'd have like 1,000 scratches in it. Ooh, Jesus. Go back in.
That's what I meant when I said they'll pop out so easy. That looks good.
But it's a pretty easy mod, man. All you do is you clean it real well, stick it on there, rub over a little. That. I feel like this one might actually come off.
It'll be alright.
But we got, I think, one. I think they give you an extra for each side of the car.
Or for like each piece.
Yeah, they give you like an extra for the driver's
Extra
side.
front, extra rear, extra side. All right, my knees hurt, so I'm just gonna stand up.
Sweet. I think it looks fucking awesome. Oh, it looks so much better.
Yeah,
I'm glad I thought to grab the old Camaro.
The Camaro.
The Camaro. It's not a fucking Camaro, dummy.
Yeah, it looks really good from over here.
Hell yeah. That's so much better.
Yeah, it is.
Like, I really do like that. And it was, what, maybe a 10-minute install?
Not even.
Maybe less, I don't know. We should delete this today.
The Dodge?
Yep. Doing a badge delete. Want to up badge it to a demon cat.
Oh, come right off. Use that squeegee.
And that thing, it's not cheap. It's a nice freaking squeegee. You can reuse that shit. And just the whole thing comes out. I mean, might as well take it off now. Dun, 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 dun. Doge. Hey man, let's up badge the Corvette to a Challenger. Up badge the Corvette to that. Yeah, that'd be great. Hell yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, here's that little tint kit. They give you this rag, the squeegee, and they give you 3 extra pieces. This is from Revion Auto Works. Dodge Challenger. There we go. Side marker reflector tint. They use Vivid Vinyl. I would. So much easier than the ones on my truck. Yeah, and I would highly recommend this company. I got it on Amazon. You can just search for it. Just because they use Vivid Vinyl, and that's what I use. So their tint seems to be pretty good. I think it's probably like 5% or more. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little short upload of us doing some easy mods that you can do to your car. Just something I've been wanting to do because it makes the car look 100% better, especially with the green. Orange and red reflectors don't look good. Thanks for helping me out, Will.
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you guys next time.